They are super bright. And within a matter of minutes, literally a minute to 2 minutes tops, we're back together. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're doing an LED light bulb upgrade. So I've upgraded most all of the bulbs on this truck already, except for some of the factory stock LEDs that came on here, with the exception of our third brake light. So we've got two that are white in there for the cargo lights that light up. And then one, it's actually also white as well, or clear, I guess I should say. But because the brake light itself is tinted red, of course, it shows up red. So our friends over at AUTOONE LED have sent us these new upgraded LED bulbs to swap out. It should be a very quick, easy, simple procedure that you can do in a matter of minutes. So we're going to get these out of the package, so show you just how easy it is to remove this brake light. It's got two screws and it'll come right out, and replace them. And we'll show you some before and after shots so you can see just how much these AUTOONE LEDs upgrade the light output on here. Again, if you're new here, just finding us, consider subscribing. We do upgrade videos like this all the time on the channel. Other things, mods, travel videos, and things that you might want to follow along with. I appreciate it. But now let's get to it and get them out and get them installed. Here's a closer look at the third brake light and what we've got to do. It's just two Phillips head screws, and this thing will pop right out. It does have a seal around it that might be stuck just a little bit, so you may have to pull on it to release that, and that should do it. And that was just how quick and easy. Again, two screws, one there, one there. You can see where the seal goes around the outside. And then we've got three bulbs. We're just going to twist them out and should be able to unplug them and plug the new ones in. Here's a quick look with the light disconnected. Don't let your wire fall down in there by some strange, means. That wouldn't be good. You have to fish that back out. But there's our light disconnected. There's our three bulbs twisted out of the sockets. Again, you can see all three of them are just clear bulbs. And so, but this lens is just tinted red. So we can use the same one for each socket. So let's get those popped out and the new ones popped in. Here's a side-by-side comparison. You can see just how many LED chips are on this new bulb from AUTOONE. Get it to focus there. Yeah, they've got some on the end and then all the way around this new bulb. So, and then there is the stock one. So let's get them popped in and replaced and everything back together. And within a matter of minutes, literally a minute to 2 minutes tops, we're back together and ready to go. And so if I hit the unlock button, there we go with the brand new LED bright white bulbs. Now, I'll show you a before and after with the brake lights and everything, and then I've got some night clips as well in the dark so you can see just how much brighter it is. But yeah, this is super easy to do. It won't take you any time at all to upgrade your third brake lights with the AUTOONE LED light bulbs. Here's a quick before shot of the stock halogen lights that are in there. Try to adjust the brightness a little bit so you can see, they've got that yellow appearance to them. Definitely not bright white. They are pretty bright, for stock lights, but we'll turn the brake light on so you can see what it looks like. There's a look at the stock brake light on here. So again, all three bulbs, that one's not super bright compared to the tail lights, the stock LED tail lights. But then there's your third brake light up there. All three bulbs are actually just white bulbs, and then the brake light part is tinted red. So we'll be interested to see how it looks with that really bright white LED behind there and what it looks like. But again, there's a look at the third brake light bulbs stock, and now we'll get the other ones installed and see what it looks like. So here's an after shot with the new bulbs installed. You can see just how much brighter and whiter they turned out. They look really good. It's hard to get it at night. I've got the brightness turned all the way down on the phone, but you can see just how bright they light up. So then we'll turn the brake light on so you can see that, but they are super, super bright. And there is the third brake light lit up. So not bad, even with it being that white bulb behind the red tinted plastic on the third brake light, it lights up plenty red enough at night. So that's pretty good. It turned out real good. So that was it, guys. A real quick, simple video to show you just how easy it is, and you can change your third brake lights or any other LED light bulbs that you want to swap out. They have light bulbs for all makes and models, LED upgrades for brakes, headlights, tail lights, reverse lights, everything you could possibly need on their site. So I'll leave the links down below so you can check them out yourself and see if you want to order a pair to upgrade your vehicle. This one was super easy, happy with the outcome. Simply pop them out, pop them back in, and good to go. So far I haven't had any issues with any kind of check engine lights or light bulb out or anything like that with my LED upgrade, so I'm super happy about that as well. So again, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions whatsoever about any of the products or things we do on the channel, leave them down below. I'll answer everything I can, and feel free to subscribe to follow along with more stuff like this. I sure would appreciate it. Hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks. Bye.